Synchronous web conference sessions are another tool to bridge the gap inherent in distance learning. D2L allows you to add sessions directly to your course through external tools such as Blackboard Collaborate or WebCT. To set up a web conference session, select Content from the navigation menu and click on Add a Module. Type in Web Conferencing and enter. Set up your web conferencing module by selecting Add Existing Activities and select External Learning Tools from the menu that appears. Scroll down to locate Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Next, you need to create a new session, so select Blackboard Collaborate, and in the window that appears, select Create Session. Enter a name for your session. And under the Event Details tab, add event details such as date and start and end times as well as early entry. Click on the tab with the gear to enter the session settings. Here you can set many options, including private chat. Select Create, and you have set up your first web conference session for your course.